Hey guys, this is Ahmed from Measure School, and today we're going to take a look at 3 recent Google Data Studio updates that are going to save you a ton of time. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with this week's Data Studio update, which is the ability to create charts by dragging fields and dropping them directly onto the canvas. And then I'm going to share 2 more time-saving features, one from last week's update and one from a few weeks ago. So let me start with a blank report and connect it to our usual demo account. So as I said, this week's feature is the ability to drag and drop fields directly onto the canvas to create charts. Okay, so for example, if I drag a metric directly into the canvas over here, it will create a scorecard. If I drag a date and time field, it will create a time series chart. Or if I drag a geographic field like country, it will create a map, and it actually creates a Google map. Okay. If you drag and drop any other dimension, it will create a table. That's it. We can also drag more fields directly onto an existing chart. So if I want to see page views on this table, I can just drag and drop it. Or I can also add it to the time series, like this. That's it, quick and easy. Now let's take a look at number 2, and that's the option to extract a custom report theme from an image. So before, we either had to select from this list of predefined themes, for example, change the theme to a dark theme, or we had to head over to this section to manually customize different aspects of the theme, like fonts, borders, sizes, and colors. But now, with the introduction of this extract theme from image feature, we can simply upload an image or copy and paste its URL, and Data Studio will analyze the colors in the image and will extract the most prominent colors to create a custom themes for us automatically. Let's give it a try. I'm going to click extract theme from image, and I have 2 options, either upload an image from the computer or copy and paste the URL. Let's try copy and pasting the URL. I've already found this nice banana image on Unsplash, which I'm gonna grab the URL of, copy image address, back to Data Studio and paste the URL. I'm gonna click upload. What happens now is that Data Studio tries to extract the main colors of the image, and it will create 3 themes for us to choose from. Usually 2 light and 1 dark colors, but sometimes it returns 3 identical options. The trick is to use an image with few prominent contrasting colors. Let's select this one and click apply. Interesting, isn't it? We just created a custom report theme in less than a minute. We can also click customize to adjust the theme even further. Okay, moving on to the 3rd and final time-saving update for today, which is Google Analytics integration. Let's go to Google Analytics interface. From now on, we can create custom Data Studio dashboards directly from within the Google Analytics interface. To do that, we simply need to go to the customization section, and then at the top, we can click on any of these to create a custom Data Studio dashboard. Audiences, acquisition, and behavior. Okay, so this is the audience overview report, this is the acquisition overview report, and finally the behaviors overview. To use any of these reports, you just need to click on edit and share to open the report in your Google Data Studio account, so you will be the owner of the report, and from that point forward you can either share it with your clients or use it as a baseline and customize it even further. That's it for today. That's it guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to Measure School, make sure to subscribe to get notified of the future videos that we publish. And if you'd like to learn more about Data Studio, I have several more tutorials that you can look up and watch. My name is Ahmed. See you in the next video.